Anna and the Lost Cat. Anna is a girl. She is 9 years old. She lives in a small town. Her town is quiet and green. She lives with her mother and her little brother Tom. One day, Anna wakes up early. The sun is bright. The birds sing. It is Saturday. Anna is happy. She does not go to school on Saturday. She eats breakfast with her family. "Good morning," says Anna. "Good morning," says her mom. "Can I go to the park today?" "Yes," her mom says. "But take care." Anna puts on her shoes. She takes her small red bag. She puts a water bottle in it. She also puts one apple and one cookie in her bag. Then, she goes outside. Anna walks to the park. The park is big. There are many trees. There are birds, flowers, and butterflies. Anna sees something under a tree. It is small and white. It moves. "What is that?" Anna says. She walks close. She sees a cat. A small white cat. The cat looks at her. "Hello, cat," Anna says. The cat meows. "You are so cute," Anna says. She sits down next to the cat. The cat is thin. The cat is dirty. "Are you lost?" Anna asks. The cat meows again. Anna touches the cat. It is soft. The cat is not afraid. It likes Anna. "I will help you," Anna says. "I will take you home." Anna puts the cat in her bag. The cat is calm. It looks around but does not jump. Anna walks home. The cat sleeps in the bag. At home, Anna shows the cat to her mother. "Look, Mom." "Oh, Anna. What is this?" "It is a lost cat. Can we help it?" Her mom looks at the cat. It is very thin. It needs food. "Okay, we can help it for now." Anna gives the cat milk. The cat drinks all the milk. Tom comes and looks at the cat. "Can I touch it?" "Yes," says Anna. "Be gentle." Tom touches the cat. He laughs. "It is soft," he says. Anna wants to find the owner. She makes a sign. She writes, "Lost cat found, white and small. Please call Anna, 555-1234. She makes 5 signs and puts them on trees and shops. Anna waits 1 day. No one calls. She waits 2 days. Still no call. She waits 1 week. Still no call. No one is looking for the cat, Anna says. "Maybe it has no owner," says her mom. "Can we keep it?" Anna asks. Her mom thinks. "Yes. But you must care for it." "I will," says Anna. "I love this cat." Anna wants to name the cat. She says, "You are white. You are small. You are soft." She thinks. Then she says, "Snowy." The cat looks at her. It meows. "You like it?" Anna asks. "Snowy it is." Tom claps. "Snowy. Snowy." Snowy meows again. It is a happy cat now. It eats. It sleeps. It plays. One day, Anna gives Snowy a bath. She puts warm water in a small tub. "Come, Snowy," she says. Snowy looks at the water. Then it jumps away. "No, Snowy. It is okay." Anna picks Snowy up. She puts the cat in the water. Snowy meows loud. "Shush," Anna says. "It is okay." Anna is fast. She washes the cat and dries it with a towel. Snowy runs and hides under the bed. Anna laughs. "You don't like water." Snowy stays under the bed for 1 hour. Then it comes out and sleeps in Anna's lap. One night, it rains. The wind is strong. Anna wakes up. She hears something. Meow. Meow. Snowy. Anna says. Snowy is not in her bed. Anna looks around. Snowy. She looks under the bed. No cat. She looks in the kitchen. No cat. She opens the door. Snowy, she shouts. Then she hears a small sound. She looks outside. Snowy is in the garden. Why are you outside? Anna runs to the cat. Snowy is wet and cold. Anna takes her inside. She dries the cat. Don't go outside at night, she says. Snowy curls up and sleeps next to Anna. Weeks go by. Snowy is healthy now. It is no longer thin. It is strong. It runs and jumps. Anna reads books to Snowy. She tells stories. Tom plays with Snowy too. Snowy is part of the family. One day, Anna writes in her notebook. Dear Snowy, you are my best friend. I found you, but maybe you found me. I am happy you are here. Snowy sleeps next to her. Anna smiles.